Hey YouTube, I'll be here, it's Sigma, and thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'll be walking you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to mitigate iPhone lock to owner using PassFab iPhone Unlocker software. This is a one-click, all-in-one or multi-purpose program that is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and we are going to be using it to mitigate the effects of activation lock today. If you ever come across or encounter iPhone lock to owner issue, whether on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, it's basically because the previous owner or the first user haven't removed or signed out their credentials before this iDevice has been erased or restored, typically with 3U2s or iTunes. So in this video, we are going to be fixing that issue. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. To begin with, click on the link in the description box below to download and install the PassFab iPhone Unlocker software. Once you're on the website, this is how the website looks like, the official website. So you go ahead and click on the free download option, or you click on buy to get a 30% discount. Actually, there's a promo that is currently ongoing so that you can save 30% of your money. So you can go ahead and use the promo, and which is ongoing 30% promo offer. You can go ahead and use that promo to buy right away. Otherwise, you can just download and then you go ahead and install. So if you come to the Windows utility, we have multiple tools here. You can also check it out. When you come to phone section, we have more unlocking tools here. You can check it out if you want. And also they have 24/7 support system where if you need help, they can assist you. So once you're done, you just go ahead and download the program. And that is what I'm about to do just here. Now, if you download the program, it will redirect you to a page where there's a video or a guide that you can also download that video to follow to bypass or to unlock your iPhone. So there's a video here. You can also download the video or watch straight from their official website or watch from YouTube. So you can download the video. This is a video file that is available to follow in order to bypass. So once you're done with the downloading of the program, you proceed with the installation. So you just click on OK here, accept the terms and condition, go next, and then install. The installation process is going to take some few seconds. Okay, so after the installation, by default, it will ask you if you want to launch for the first time. All right, so here we are. This is the user interface of the PassFab iPhone Unlock 2. Now, on the interface, it is a very pretty straightforward, easy to use software. I have my iPhone 10 connected on iOS 16.7.11, and this is locked to owner, as you can see on the right side of the screen. And we have the PassFab iPhone Unlock software at the left side of the screen. And before we begin with the bypass, let's first go through some of the features of the PassFab iPhone Unlocker program before we begin with the bypass. All right, so we first have Unlock iOS screen that is basically going to remove the passcode lock on your iPhone. If you've ever forget your iPhone PIN code or passcode, you are going to go ahead and use this option to download the firmware for your iPhone, and then you can flash. Also, you can import the firmware if you have it locally on your device. We have remove Apple ID. That is for people that if you ever forget your Apple ID password, you can use this option to remove the Apple ID without a password. We also have MDM lock. Remove MDM, that is mobile device management lock. You can also use this feature to remove MDM. We also have password management and screen time passcode, other features. You can check it out later if you want. Now we are going to be proceeding with what we are here for today, remove iCloud activation lock. Now click on the start button. Before you click on the start button, you need to ensure you agree to the terms before you click on the start button. And once you do that, the device is going to enter into recovery mode, and then the bypass process is going to begin. So this is the phone on the right side on activation lock. I've refreshed it several times. It has contacted the Apple server, and there is lock on that phone. You can clearly see. So now the device is entering into recovery mode. All right, so right now the device is in recovery mode. So we are going to hold the keys to put the device into the DFU mode. So you just follow the instructions from the tool, press start button, and hold the keys to put the device into DFU mode. This is a simultaneous sequence. It's a sequence, so you need to follow the steps very well to enter into DFU. Otherwise, the device will reboot again into normal mode. So once the device enters into DFU, or the software detects the device into DFU, the removal of the iCloud is going to begin. And this process is going to take some time. Ensure that you do not disconnect or interrupt the connection between the program and then the phone or your iPhone. Sorry. Also, I'll put a link to the PassFab iPhone Unlocker YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check them out. Also, if you want to learn more about PassFab iPhone Unlock program. All right, so from the tool, the removal is completed. It's left for the device to boot up, and then it's going to boot straight to the home screen. There's nothing to set up again. That is a very nice feature about this PassFab iPhone Unlock software. All right, so here we are. We have successfully removed the iCloud on this iPhone 10, and we are on the home screen using PassFab iPhone Unlock software. All right, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, peace out.